If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To quickly find a recent saved transaction form in QuickBooks Online Plus, click the Search button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. This button looks like a magnifying glass. After clicking this button, a drop-down menu appears. The most recent transactions appear in the Recent Transactions section within this drop-down menu. If you see the transaction you are looking for in this list, click it to open the transaction. Note that clicking the View More link in the drop-down menu opens the search page. To instead search for a transaction by using the drop-down menu, enter the search term into the search field at the top of the button's drop-down menu. The searching begins as you type the term or terms. After you stop typing, matching results appear below, grouped by categories in the drop-down menu. To open a matching result, click it. Alternatively, to open the search page instead, click the Advanced Search link at the bottom of the drop-down menu. The search page lets you find transaction forms by using the search criteria at the top of the page. Use the top criteria drop-down to select the type of form to find. Then use the next drop-down to select a searchable field in the selected form type. Select a comparison operator for that field from the drop-down to the right. Then use the final drop-down field to select a value from the list or enter a value to find in the selected field. To find transactions that match the selected criteria, click the Search button to display the matching forms in the results list below. The filtering criteria appears as a blue link above the results list. To add more search criteria, enter new search criteria into the 3 search criteria fields once again. Then click the Add Filter button to add the new search criteria to the initial criteria you selected in the list below. All the current search criteria appear at the top of the results list. To remove a current search criteria, click the X button to the right of the search filter to remove, shown at the top of the results list. When you see the transaction form you want to open appear in the search results list, click it to open it in a new window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.